Part 31. AC motors. Single phase AC motors and 3-phase motors. Single phase AC motors are 3 parts. Number 1, commutator motors. Number 2, synchronous motor. Number 3, induction motors. The commutator motors are A. Universal motors, AC or DC. B. Repulsion plain repulsion motors. C. Repulsion induction motor. And D. Repulsion start induction motors. Here commutator motors are 4 categories. Yes. Number 2, synchronous motors. Here are permanent magnet motors, B. Serrated pole motors, C. Hysteresis motors, and D. Reluctance motors. Here 4 types are synchronous motors. Number 3, induction motors. Induction motors are squirrel cage induction motors. Here single cage induction and double cage induction. Another wound rotor or sleeping motors. Now discuss here 1A here universal motors, AC or DC single phase operated motors. It is fractional horsepower motors as it's 1/100 horsepower up to half horsepower and speed achieved 5000 rpm above rotation per minute. The commutator fitted as the same shaft were laminated core under setted windings as armature windings connected on the commutator, moving on set brass by the holder. Also carbon brass connected in 2 numbers series field fitted as laminated yoke. Here the manual diagram here. Single phase AC or DC universal motors. Here yoke, laminated yoke, the laminated yoke, iron laminated yoke. Here the field, 2 field. Here series in 2 field, series, and other end the carbon. This is the total armature. This is the commutator. Commutator on fitted brass holder. Brass, this is the carbon brass. 2 field where wound is connected in series here, and other end to connected in carbon brass, and other out of carbon here input side, and field another end the input side. Is a 2-pointer input single phase AC or DC. This is the universal. This is the armature total armature here. Armature winding on laminated core. This is the laminated core. This is the winding. The winding slot winding total armature here. Brass. This is the brass. 2 number brass here. Carbon brass fitted on carbon holder. This is the commutator. This is a commutator fitted with armature shaft. This is the armature shaft fitted here. Move, total armature move here. Yoke. This is the yoke, laminated core, laminated iron core on fitted field. 2 numbers field. Input AC or DC supply, single phase and neutral. This is the single phase and neutral input. Here L N. Universal motors widely used in domestic and commercial purpose as blowers, portable drills, sewing machines, and also grinder machines, kitchen appliances, etc. This is the universal type motor operated AC or DC supply, single phase.